Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, ISSA launches new Healthy Workplaces Coalition. The International Well Building Institute and ISSA just today announced the launch of this Healthy Workplaces Coalitions. This is a coalition of more than 40 national organizations, industry leaders, and trade associations collaborating to support and advance federal policy aimed at helping businesses and organizations better afford and implement health and safety improvements in the workplace to benefit the health and well-being of employees, customers, and the public. Members of this new advocacy coalition launched on Capitol Hill will work together not only to support federal policy promoting healthy workplaces, but also raise awareness among the public and policymakers and businesses to understand how imperative workplace health and safety is during the COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. To learn more or become a member of this Healthy Workplace Coalition, please contact me at john@issa.com. Topic 2, California drops revisions to Prop 65 short form warning. This was a big win for the association. It's a proposed rulemaking to amend the short form Prop 65 warnings. This has now been discontinued. We oppose this along with a number of other coalition members, including the California Chamber of Commerce. The proposed rulemaking would have drastically altered the way that labels on a whole variety of products, including cleaning equipment and products, would have had to display on these buildings. This language would have been changed just a couple short years after having significant changes before. Topic 3, ISSA Advocacy Fund Impact Report is released. We were proud to release a 2021-2022 impact report outlining some of the huge successes that we've had for the industry, such as the introduction of the Healthy Workplace Tax Credit, expansion of the Safer Choice Program, and others. You can check that out on issa.com/advocacy fund. With that, thank you so much. Those were your 3 things you need to know right now for the industry. Please check out our website and sign up for our alerts at issa.com/take action.